Alright, pag-usapan natin ito mga kapatid, no, sa isang social media post, inanunsyo ni US President Donald Trump na nagkasundo na ang Israel at Iran na magkaroon ng total ceasefire. Israel at Iran nagkasundo na magkaroon ng total ceasefire. Pero dito sa isang komento mga tol, nakita ko lang, no, hindi ko alam kung ito'y bago. 5 minutes. Iran has not received any ceasefire proposal and sees no reason for one, a senior Iranian official told CNN. At wala raw silang dahilan para magkaroon ng ceasefire, sabing ganun. Sabi rito, Iran has not received any ceasefire proposal and sees no reason for one. Wala silang nakikitang dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng ceasefire. A senior Iranian official told CNN. The official said Iran would continue to fight until it achieves lasting peace and that it would view remarks from Israel and the US as deception intended to justify attacks on Iran's interest. At this very moment, the enemy is committing aggression against Iran and Iran is on the verge of intensifying its retaliatory strikes with no ear to listen to the lies of its enemies. The official said, sabing ganon, hindi nila papakinggan kung ano ang sinasabi ng kanilang mga kalaban. Yun ang sabi rito. So, ibig sabihin mga kapatid, yung pinost ni tawag dito ni US President Donald Trump, di natin alam mga kapatid kung sino ang kanyang mga nakausap. Kung sino sa Iran at kung sino sa Israel mga kapatid. Pero dito sa ibang articles mga kapatid, no, mula rito sa Reuters to Iran's foreign minister says there is no agreement yet. O wala pa daw agreement, 'di ba? Sabing ganyan. White House, Israel on board as long as no more Iranians attack. Conflict that has forced millions out of Tehran enters 12-day. US Vice President Iran incapable of building a nuclear weapon. Wala na daw kakayanan mga kapatid ang Iran. So ito, basahin natin itong mga articles dito. Washington, Doha, Istanbul, June 24, Reuters. Ngayon lang to, June 24. US President Donald Trump announced on Monday a complete ceasefire between Israel and Iran, potentially ending the 12-day war that saw millions flee Tehran and prompted fears of further escalation in the war-torn region. Sabi rito, Israel, joined by the United States on the weekend, has carried out attacks on Iran's nuclear facilities after alleging Tehran was getting close to obtaining a nuclear weapon. Okay? On the assumption that everything works as it should, which it will, I would like to congratulate both countries, Israel and Iran, on having the stamina. Ito sabi ni Trump courage and intelligence to end what should be called the 12-day war. Trump wrote on his Truth social site mga kapatid. Yun nga yung pinost ni Trump, di ba? There was no immediate comment yet from Israel o wala pang sagot ang Israel dito, while an Iranian official earlier confirmed that Tehran had agreed to a ceasefire. O sabi, while an Iranian official earlier confirmed that Tehran had agreed to a ceasefire. The country's foreign minister said there will be no cessation of hostilities unless Israel stopped its attacks. So hindi natin malaman mga kapatid, parang ang Iran hindi rin nagkakasundo, no? Sabi, Iranian official earlier confirmed that Tehran had agreed, no? Nag-agreed daw sila to a ceasefire. The country's foreign minister, habang ang foreign minister naman nila ay nagsabing there would be no cessation of hostilities unless Israel stop its attacks. Abbas Araghchi said early on Tuesday that if Israel stop o pag tinigil na daw ng Israel ang illegal aggression against the Iranian people no later than 4 a.m. Tehran time on Tuesday, Iran had no intention of continuing its response afterwards. So ititigil na rin daw ng Iran, no? Sabi rito, there have been no reported Israeli attacks on Iran since that time. So wala nang nare-report na pag-atake pa ng Israel. The final decision on the cessation of our military operations will be made later, Araghchi added in a post on X. A senior White House official said Trump had brokered the deal in a call with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, and Israel had agreed so long as Iran did not launch further attacks. So basta wala nang aatake sa magkabilang panig, sabing ganon. Trump appeared to suggest that Israel and Iran would have some time to complete any missions that are underway, at which point the ceasefire would begin in a staged progress. No? Tuloy natin. Iran denies ever having a nuclear weapons program, but Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei has said that if it wanted to, world leaders wouldn't be able to stop us. Pangklase din kasi magsalita si Khamenei. Israel, which is not a party to the International Non-Proliferation Treaty, is the only country in the Middle East believed to have nuclear weapons. Israel does not deny or confirm that. Pinaniniwala ang tanging Israel lamang daw sa Middle East ang merong nuclear weapon. So hindi pa naman yan kinukumpirma o dinideny ng Israel. Qatar's Prime Minister Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdulrahman Al Thani secured Tehran's agreement during a call with Iranian officials. An official brief on the negotiation told Reuters on Tuesday. Alam nyo mga tol, inatake din ng Iran yung mga US base dito sa Qatar. May report ngayon na nagpalipad din sila ng missile. Ang Iran nagpalipad ng missile towards Qatar dahil may mga may mga US base din doon mga tol. US Vice President J.D. Vance, Secretary of State Marco Rubio, and US Special Envoy Steve Witkoff were in direct and indirect contact with the Iranians, the White House official said. Neither Iran's UN mission nor the Israeli embassy in Washington responded to separate requests for comment from Reuters. Hours earlier, 3 Israeli officials had signaled Israel was looking to wrap up its campaign in Iran soon and had passed the message on the United States. So tatapusin na nga talaga nila ang kanilang mission. Netanyahu had told government ministers whose discussion ended early on Tuesday not to speak publicly, Israel's Channel 12 television reported. Markets reacted favorably to the news. So yun na nga mga kapatid, ano sa tingin ninyo? And to the fighting, there did not appear to be calm yet in the region. The Israeli military issued 2 evacuation warnings in less than 2 hours to residents of areas in the Iranian capital Tehran, 1 late on Monday and 1 early on Tuesday. Sa tingin ba ninyo mga kapatid, ito na nga ang kawakasan mga tol ng labanan sa pagitan ng Iran at saka ng Israel. Tulad nga ng pinost o sinabi ni Donald Trump mga tol. Balikan natin yung sinabi niya. Yan Congratulations to everyone. It has been fully agreed by and between Israel and Iran that there will be a complete and total ceasefire in approximately 6 hours from now when Israel and Iran have wound down and completed their in-progress final missions for 12 hours, and at which point the war will be considered ended. Officially, Iran will start the ceasefire, and upon the 12th hour, Israel will start the ceasefire, and upon the 24th hour, an official end to the 12-day war. Sa tingin ninyo mga kapatid, ano ang susunod na mangyayari? Ako, sana magkatotoo to mga tol, at sana ito na nga talaga ang kawakasan ng kaguluhan dito sa Israel at saka sa Iran. Kaysa lumala at umabot pa to sa level ng World War III mga tol, wag naman po sana. Kasi kawawa, di ba? Kita nyo naman, di ba? Meron pang bagong panganak, 6 na araw pa lang yung baby, di ba? Kawawa naman yun. Basa tayo ng ilan sa mga comment. Mula rito sa mga tao rito sa social media. Wow! Not according to Iran, sabing ganun dito. Ayan, not according to Iran. Yun nga di ba? Iran, galit na galit ang Iran Tapos bigla sila mag-a-agreed Don't believe it until you actually see it. Tama rin naman. Somebody forgot to tell Iran maybe Trump heard it from a girl named Irene but couldn't remember her name later and called her Iran. Anyway mga kapatid, bilang mga Pilipino, ano masasabi nyo rito? Comment na lamang kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.